Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lyft app as a passenger. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Play Store on your mobile phone, and if you're on iOS, you can navigate to the App Store. After navigating to Play Store, click on search icon and search for Lyft. Now, click on the Lyft application and install this application. Now, after this application gets installed, you will see an open button just right here. Click on open and it is going to show you this page. Now click on get started button if you want to sign up as a passenger. So after you click on that button, it is going to prompt you to this page. We'll have to enter your mobile number and click on next. Now you'll have to enter the 6-digit code received on your mobile number. So you'll have to enter the 6-digit code received and click on next. Now enter your first name and last name and click on next. Here, you'll have to enter your email address. After entering your email address, click on the next button again and it is going to show you the Lyft terms of service. You'll have to just scroll at the bottom and click on I agree. You can read this if you want. If not, skip this and click on I agree. Now, choose how would you like to pay. You can use credit or debit card, PayPal or cash. So I'm going to choose cash. If you want to skip this, click on the back button. Now, after you do the verification, you'll be on this page. Here, you can see your rides and trips just at the bottom. Now, in order to use Lyft as a passenger, click on try another location. Here, you'll be on this page where you can see you have a start and destination section. So, click on the start and enter the place where you want your pickup. So I will choose this place. Now, in the destination, choose where you want to go. After you enter your start and destination point, you can click on set destination. Now choose your pickup and you can also navigate on map and place this cursor anywhere you want for your pickup. For example, if I would want my pickup here, I will just place my marker here and click on set pickup. And as you can see, it is showing all these options available for my rides. I will get this ride in 4 minutes, that is a priority pickup for $37. In 5 minutes for $33. If I choose XL, it will come in 9 minutes and it will be for $45. If you want extra comfort, this will arrive in 9 minutes. It will be roomier and quiet. Also, it will be for $38. Now if you go to more ways to get there, you can get black VIP style SUV that will be for $94 and a black VIP style car for $79. If you want it for your pet, select pet and you can ride with your furry friend. Click on select pet and click on confirm and request. After you click on confirm and request, you'll have to choose how do you pay, PayPal, cash or credit card. Choose your preferred payment method, complete it, do the checkout and you can easily book any ride through the Lyft app. So that's how you take rides through Lyft. Now you can go to trips and you can schedule a ride, manage price on log passes and click on plus Google Calendar. Click on connect calendar and this will make your planning trip pretty easy. Now you can click on this 3-lined icon at the top left corner and you get the option for price lock, Lyft ping, notifications. You can invite friends and get gifts. You'll see your ride history here, your payments here, your rewards in this section, gifts card here. You can donate by clicking on this button. You can get help as a Lyft passenger here and click on settings and do the settings for your account. So the simple way is navigating to this section, placing your destination and pickup here and you'll be able to use Lyft as a passenger. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.